Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a great move. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its lows on Friday, now all of a sudden you look at where the price has worked its way up, any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the $15.20 mark. Why is $15.20 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $15.20. If the price were to come down to that area and then get down there and then just continue on down, at that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you'd have the price right back inside of that area of the chart that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power or anything like that. Whereas let's say the price, once again, did come down here, however, in this situation, behave like that before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, now you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows over here. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote progress, again, being defined as $15.20. On the flip side of things, though, where are some of these areas of resistance at going forward? Overall, the key level, well, kind of a couple of near-term ones. First off, right there at about $15.90 is going to be that very near-term key level. If the price can get a good high-volume break of that, then while there's no such thing as a guarantee, it would not be very shocking to see the price at all go up there and start to do battle with $16.50. So again, if the price can get a nice high-volume break of $15.90, then again, no guarantees, but also wouldn't be exactly shocking and not exactly a gutsy call to say that the price could get up there and at least do battle with the $16.50 mark. So we'll see what happens with it, but no doubt about it, very nice way to start off the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.